Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online, where today we have got another bite-sized Monday for you. And today we are going to show you how to select which screen your slideshow will present from. So if you're like me, I use a laptop and then I also use a TV screen, projector, or sometimes a bigger screen just to present on. So sometimes when I set it up and when I connect to a new screen, it will not automatically go to the bigger screen, and I'm going to show you today how to get around that. So when you're on PowerPoint, go to the slideshow tab on the ribbon, and you'll see monitor, and then you'll have a drop down. You want to select that and then choose which monitor you want to display from. Now, to see which monitor is which, you can just have one selected. So for instance, I'm going to have this on my primary monitor, and I'm going to have use presenter view so we can tell when we're in slideshow mode. So if I press F5 and it's come up on this screen, you can see it appear now, and the presenter view box has appeared on the other screen. Now if I go out of that, change my monitor and move to monitor 1, leaving presenter view enabled, and then press F5, my presentation is now on the other screen that I've got, but my presenter view, which is my notes and everything, is on this slide that I'm currently working from. So that is the quick and easy way of how for you to set which monitor your items display on. Really helpful, really handy tip. Hopefully it helps you guys. Till next time, goodbye.